If you're constantly moving heavy pots, bags of soil, yard supplies, maybe tubs, this 2-in-1 folding hand truck dolly is a total game changer. What makes it different is the dual mode design. You can use it as a 4-wheel flatbed for heavy, bulky items, or you can quickly convert it to a 2-wheel upright cart for taller loads. The 360-degree rotatable handle gives you better control and smoother steering, especially when navigating tight spaces in the yard or garage. The adjustable height makes it comfortable for different users, and when you're done, it folds down compact for easy storage. It even comes with a built-in toolkit pouch so you can keep essentials right on the cart while you work. Compared to standard flatbeds or traditional 2-wheel carts, this gives you both options in one. More versatility, less clutter. The sturdy handles also protect your hands when transporting large or awkward items, giving you extra stability and safety. Whether you're gardening, moving supplies, or reorganizing your garage, this handles it all with ease.